Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have a square minus b square equals 24 and ab equals 35. So we find the value of a plus b. So now the very first step we are going to do is here first we call this equation as equation number 1 and we call this as equation number 2. So in order to find the value of a plus b, first we solve equation number 1 and here we write from equation number 1 we have, so this is equation number 1 and we copy down this equation and we have a square minus b square equals 24. So now here we use the nice algebraic formula. So we know that a square minus b square equals to a plus b times of a minus b equals 24. And now in the next step, here we take the square on both of the sides of this equation. So when we take square on both of the sides, then it will becomes a plus b into a minus b whole square equals to 24 and its whole square. So now in the next step, we just separate the square on both of these terms and we write it as a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square equals to 24 whole square. So now here we use the both square identities, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. We use these two formulas and we write first the formula of a plus b whole square. It will be equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab, and we have the formula of this term is a square plus b square minus 2 times of ab, and this whole equals to 24 whole square. So now in the next step, we will use here equation number 2, and you see here in equation number 2 we have the value of ab equals to 35. So we use the value of ab here and we write it as from 2 we have a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab, and here we put the value of ab, so it is 35 into, similarly we put the value of ab here and we get a square plus b square minus 2 times of ab, and our ab equals to 35 and here it is equals to 24 whole square. So now in the next step we simplify the terms and we write this expression as a square plus b square plus 70 into, we write this equation as a square plus b square minus 70, and this whole equals to 24, and we know that the square of 24 equals to 576. So now in the next step, here you focus on these equation and you see that we have this is a square plus b square, and here it is also have a square plus b square. So we will just take x equals to a square plus b square, and here you have 70 and here you have again 70, so we call this 70 equals to y. So when you put a square plus b square equals to x and 70 equals to y, then the above expression will becomes x plus y into x minus y equals to 576. So here you see that it will becomes a nice square identity. So we combine the x plus y into x minus y as x square minus y square, and it is whole equals to 576. So now here we substitute the value of x and y, and here you have x equal a square plus b square. We substitute it here and we get a square plus b square and its whole square minus the value of y is 70 square equals to 576. So now we move this minus 70 square to the right hand side and it will becomes a square plus b square and its whole square equals to 576 plus we have 70 square and we know that 70 square equals to 4900. Okay, so you know that 70 square equals 4900 and it is negative. When we move to the right hand side it will becomes positive. So now in the next step we will just simplify the terms and we have a square plus b square and its whole square equals to, we add these two values and we get 5476. So now we take the square root on both of the sides and we will get its output in this form when we take square root on both of the sides. So this will become, here you see that these 2 and square root are gone and we get a square plus b square equals to, we have the square root of 5476 equals to plus minus 74. So now in the next step we move towards our final destination and our final destination is to find the value of a plus b. So in order to find the value of a plus b, we take the square of a plus b and we write the square identity. So if we take the square of a plus b, it will be equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. And we have the value of a square plus b square is plus minus 74, and here from equation number 2 we have the value of ab is 35. So we use these two values here and this equation will becomes plus minus 74 plus 2 times of ab and our ab is 35. So now we will simplify this equation and we break this equation in two parts. So first we write it as 74 plus minus and plus 2 times of 35 is 70. So we break this in two cases. The first is positive value and the negative value. So we write it as a plus b whole square equals to 74 plus 70, and in this case we have a plus b whole square equals to minus 74 plus 70. So that here we add these two values and you get 74 plus 70 equals to 144, and in this case we have minus 4. So now in this case we take the square root on both of the sides here in this way and you get the value of a plus b equals to plus minus 12. And similarly in this case when we take the square root on both of the sides, so these 2 and square root are gone and we get a plus b equals to plus minus 2 iota, because here you have the square root of minus 1 becomes iota and the square root of 4 is 2. So these are the two solutions of the or two values of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.